So when I buy clothes, it kind of goes through ebbs and flows. Hey, that rhymed. I can go weeks without purchasing anything, and then I'll buy 3, 4, 5 items all at once. I asked you guys on Instagram, follow me there at model.ministry, if you wanted unboxing videos, and it was a resounding yes. So we just gonna try this out. I got some clothes in yesterday, and I got some in today, and I didn't wait on all of the boxes to come in before I opened them. I opened the ones that came in yesterday, and I opened the ones that came in today. So I'm recording this after I've already opened the boxes. And I'll come back at the end of this video and just kind of wrap things up. In the meantime, modelministry.com. Again, model.ministry on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube, follow on Instagram, all that good stuff. And so here's the unboxing of all of our fall stuff. I have a lot of boxes coming in this week, and you guys said that y'all wanted unboxings. So we're gonna unbox. So both of these packages are from Essence. If you follow me on Model Ministry, you know that I tell you guys Essence is the absolute best place to get your Fear of God essentials drops. They don't sell out immediately, and shipping is very, very, very fast. Again, I ordered these on Saturday. It's Wednesday and they're already right here. I don't have a knife like I did back in my old warehouse days. So we just gonna use house keys. All right, so this is box number 1. See that good essentials packaging. Ooh. Oh, this is, okay, so this is, I believe, the amber colorway. I think this is home. Let me back up. I'm gonna back up. Hold up. So this is the amber colorway. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but it's fine if you don't. We'll make it work. This is just your classic hoodie. Let me get that up close. It's got the branding, same color on the back, very subtle, but super fire. And let me get even closer to show y'all that it's rubber. That's dope. Actually, no, let's just move this up. Here we go. Boom. Y'all see me right here? I'm a little tall, so we just gonna make this work. That's the thing about learning and doing stuff. You just got to do it. And then you figure out in real time the adjustments that you need to make. And that's how you grow. This is my second package. Oh, this is significantly heavier than the other one. Now my homegirl, shout out to my homegirl Lauren, who told me to get the knit. I wasn't crazy about the knit because when I think of knit sweaters, I just think of like an old white woman. And this is very heavy. Oh my God. This is wild heavy. So this is, I think, like a mint color. Let me see if they got it on the tag. Hold up. Pistachio is the color. All right, I'm about to try these on real quick. Okay, so for reference, I am 6'5", and I wear a large in Fear of God. I like my stuff to be a little oversized, but not crazy. I'm typically a large tall, or an XL or a large, depending on the brand. But large tall is my sweet spot in terms of sizing, which means it's a large in brands like Fear of God, where the sizing is, elongated, a little exaggerated. This is great. Pocket in the front, that in the back. It's fire. Yeah, this is fire. I love this. It's not as mustardy as I thought it was gonna be. It's like a grayish, it's like an ashy mustard. That's the best way to describe this. So this is the knit hoodie. I was told that it's a little bit longer than the standard hoodies. So let me see what this is talking about. Yeah, this is actually like perfect. It's perfect. Wow. It's heavy. It was heavy in hand, but now that I'm like wearing it on my body, it's not super duper crazy heavy. It's really not. So again, for sizing, with Fear of God and with essentials, you want to go your true size for an oversized fit, and go down a size if you want a more like fitted fit. So for me, because I'm in between sizes, I just go with a large. I'm too tall to wear a medium. So this is about the best I'm gonna get. All right, y'all, day 2 of unboxing. I moved the camera up. You know what I'm saying? I told you just gotta do it, and then you'll figure it out as you do it. So this is probably the grail of my fall winter. I'm just letting y'all know that right now. I'm very excited about this. It is not. So this is from Aime Leon Dore. 2 pieces from them. First is this purple beanie. This is from their fall winter collection. And this purple is gorgeous. Streets need this purple for sure. All right, there we go. There's the logo on the beanie. You know what I'm saying? Purple is going to be one of my pops for fall and winter. As is the color of this jacket. So this is their, it's called like a utility jacket. Let's see, we can move this back. Hold on. Oh my God, look at, let's put it on. So I got in a large. I'm a little nervous because I'm a large or extra large, like right in the middle. So hopefully this thing is a lot lighter than I thought. Okay. Yeah, so it's like right there. Dang, I can't really show y'all what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? It's really it's a little, no. Can't hold you. I thought this jacket was going to be a little bit heavier. I really did. So let me know what you thought of, you know, my pickups. Let me know what you're getting as we're transitioning into fall. This is my favorite time of the year, creatively, fashion-wise. I usually go crazy in the fall. So look for lots and lots more content and ways to engage you guys in all things fashion. Until next video.